Welcome to a brief tutorial on how to create an FP17 claim form. Let's first of all open our test patient and visit the charting screen. The way Bridget calculates an FP17 is by looking at the treatments within the course and then calculating the correct band to put that claim on. So for example, in this course of treatment, I can see I have an exam, a porcelain prep and a porcelain crown fit. Let's say the patient comes in and they have their exam done, and that's as far as we've got. We're going to do the preparation of the porcelain crown next time the patient visits. So we've done the exam, and when we save, it automatically calculates that a band 1 has been done and asks whether we want to add a charge band 1 to this patient. If we do that, then it will raise, as you can see here, a charge band £23.80, and we can then send that to the reception desk and they can invoice the patient for the work that has been done. Notice now our course has turned grey. This means that our claim is in process. It is not yet finalised, therefore it's not yet going to be sent. Let's say though that the patient comes back and they have the porcelain crown preparation done, and finally let's do the fit as well. Now, because everything has been done within the course, when I press the save button, we've added this new finalisation dialog to the program. Now the reason for this is that instead of adding on the full course of treatment, some practices were simply adding on just the exam, thinking, well, the next time the patient comes in, I will add on the additional things when they come in and I'll do it then. The problem with that is that the program thinks that because the exam has been done and there are no further treatments in that course, that the claim is finished. Therefore it would want to transmit it to the NHS BSA. So the system really wasn't being used in the way that it was designed. So we've put this finalisation box in so that those practices that are using the system in that way, if they know they're going to be doing further treatments within this course, they can now say, do not finalise the claim. Further treatment is required. And if they select that, then they will be able to add those treatments on next time the patient comes in. And then of course it won't be sending the claim off prematurely. In this case, let's say that we can finalise our claim because everything has been done. And notice now our course has turned yellow, and if I select the course and view the claim form, I can see not only has it created me my band 3, but the claim is now awaiting submission. And that will be sent in the next run on the sending of the claims. What about a situation where the patient has had the exam, they've also had the preparation of their porcelain crown, but they have not returned for the fit? What do we do in that situation? Well, we need to inform the program that the treatment is incomplete. Now the way we can do that is one of two ways. We can either double click on the individual treatment that has been failed and tick the fail box, or perhaps more simply, if there are more treatments that the patient hasn't come in for as well, and we just want to mark them all as incomplete because they haven't returned, you can just right click on the course of treatment and select Mark Incomplete Items as Failed. Are you sure you want to do that? Yes. Now our treatment has been marked in red. Any other treatments that were in this course would also be marked in red. And notice now when we save and close our patient record and finalise our claim, we have an NHS Incomplete Band 3 added to our course. So if I now view my claim form, we have a Band 3 done here and an Incomplete Band 3. So it has correctly calculated the work that has been done within this course, and it's going to send off this claim in our next transmission. So that's just a brief overview of how to create an FP17 claim form.